Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jono here, and I'm so happy to be here with you in this video today because I have a very important announcement for you guys. Now, me and Brendan have decided to take you on a free training call, right? We are going to be revealing everything that we are doing inside of our business in the hope that you will be able to go and replicate this yourself. Now, me and Brendan have been doing this for a while. Brendan's been doing this for a lot longer than me. I've been doing this for around 2 years now. And we know exactly what we are doing, right? So there's nobody better than me and Brendan to learn this stuff from, okay? Now, I'm just going to log into my Warrior Plus account today and I'm going to show you how much I'm able to earn using my blueprint system, mine and Brendan's blueprint system that we are going to be revealing to you on this free training call. So you can see here, today I've earned $5,112. Yesterday, excuse me, $7,550. In the past 5 days, I've earned well over $31,000 in the past 5 days. Okay, we know this system works, and the fact is it's not that difficult to do. It's not that difficult to replicate. So imagine if you logged into your Warrior Plus account and saw these kind of figures. Okay, it might be a little bit unrealistic right now, but what if you could earn at least 10% of that? You know, 10% of $5,100 is $511, okay, in a day, right? That's 10% of this. If it was even 1% of this, okay, and that is so easy to replicate. If you could just replicate 1% of this, you're earning $51 a day. And that's a lot of money for a lot of people, right? And that is so easy to do, okay? You can't go wrong. Even if you're a complete numpty and you messed it up and you only got 1% of what I'm earning, you're still making some good money, right? So that's what we're planning to do. We're planning to show you exactly what we're both doing to earn this kind of money. And both me and Brendan are earning around $80,000 to $100,000 every single month, okay? Mind-blowing numbers. We want to help you guys to try and achieve this kind of goal too. So what I'm asking you to do right now is, underneath this video, you're going to see a link, right? If you click on that link, it's going to take you through to this registration page. It's going to look like this, right? Now, this is the title of the free call which we are doing with you, the free training call. It's going to be around 2 hours long, okay? So yes, it's a long call, but yes, there is a lot of information that we're going to be revealing to you. So this is probably going to be one of the most important calls that you ever attend, right? So it's called from $0 to $10,000 per month. And these are the times that the call is going to take place. Now, these times are showing in my time zone right now. I'm in Indonesia, in Jakarta. So my time zones are a little bit different to your time zones, obviously. So go and check the date and the time in your time zone. Make a note of the date and the time of the call that you can attend. Bearing in mind it's going to be around 2 hours, okay? So make sure that you have that 2 hour gap free, okay? The first call is going to be tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? That's the first call. The second call is going to be on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the afternoon. So this second call, if you're from Europe or you're from the UK, this is going to be a lot more friendly to your time zone, okay? So that's the one that I recommend that you attend. That'll probably be around 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. UK time, okay? So that's going to be an easy one for you guys in Europe or the UK. And then the final one's going to be on Thursday, again at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure that you attend at least one of these calls, right? I can't stress how important this is and how much this is going to change your life, right? Make sure that you attend at least one of these calls. Book your diary for 2 hours, okay, on one of these dates, at least one of these dates, and then go and fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number, okay? And we will be sending you a notification about when the call is going to start, just in case you forgot or you forgot to write it down. It's important that you have a pen and paper handy, right? And you lock out all your distractions, okay? Because the stuff we're revealing on this call, we're going to throw everything at you pretty quickly. So you need to be taking notes. You need to be attentive. You don't want to have any distractions, right? This is a life-changing call, right? That's all I can say. This is a life-changing call. So make sure that you make time to attend this, right? That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will go and click down below this video, come to this page and register for this call without further ado, right? So I'll look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.